Hi, my name is Dean Minchillo with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, and today we're going to show you how to raise a sunken sprinkler head. These heads will tend to shrink and get pushed down as they get vehicle traffic over them or even just foot traffic, but it's important to bring them up to the surface so when they're spraying it's not being blocked by the grass or something else that's in its way. So in this video we're going to show you the simple repair and how to raise it up so it's going to work appropriately. We flagged our sprinkler head, our misbehaving sprinkler head, so now we just need to dig up around it so we can actually get to it. You can see right here where the head is actually leaning and it is below the surface. We probably want to get it up about this high, about an inch or so. All right, so we've got our area dug out. We have our sprinkler head that is leaning and is too low. It's kind of butting up against this concrete, but we might be able to get it straightened out a little bit better with the riser. So the first thing we need to do is measure, like, how high do we need it to get it up so we know how much rise to put on it. So if we measure down from the bottom of where it connects to the sprinkler head, we're at right about 6 inches, but we probably need to be up to the sidewalk here. So if we measure up to the sidewalk, we're really at about 7 inches. So we need to come up about 1 inch. So we've got a couple of different options. We can use an attachment like this, that each little piece is in a 1/2 inch increment. Or if we need to go a little bit longer, we can do this again. Each piece is right at about 1 inch increment taller on that. So we'll take this off and we'll add one of these two devices and we'll put it back together and see where we're at. All right, so we measured we need about 1 inch rise, right? So if we measure this little piece here, this threaded piece to the end of that, we're at about 1 inch. So we'll cut this piece here and we'll just add it on to what we have, and hopefully that'll get us the height we need. So if you don't have one of these handy little tools, you should probably pick one up. They're pretty cheap. You can get them pretty much at any hardware store. So just have to kind of cut it around a little bit and then there you go. All right, so took our head off. You might have to use a pair of pliers or something to get this part out, or sometimes it stays in there when it behaves, but in this case we had to crank it out a little bit more. So set our sprinkler head apart or to the side, and then we can attach our new riser here onto this piece, and then we go right back down into our PVC pipe fitting. So, and now we're actually at the right height, but we may just see if we can try and get it stabilized like this. So we'll that's our sod grass. So we'll start to backfill our hole again. All right, so we've got our head raised up. We've got it straightened as best as we possibly can. This is a situation where we're going to have to use a little bit of flex tubing to actually move this head away from the curb, but right now it's working a lot better than it was before, so it's actually going to water the plant material, and that's what we want.